Hey, I got a story for you. We are out here in Selma, Texas, just outside of San Antonio. I'm on this rooftop. As you can see, this roof was actually damaged by hail early 2022. It is now December 2022. What happened here is this roof was actually denied by the insurance company. After a few months of back and forth between a third party, myself, homeowners, and insurance, this roof was finally paid out by the insurance company. The only out-of-pocket expense the homeowner had to dish out was their deductible. In this case, some deductibles, depending on what your property is worth, is somewhere between $1,000. Some go up to $2,000, some go up to $3,000. I've seen some as high as $5,000, right? So you always have options. If you do have storm damage on your roof, just because the insurance denies you doesn't mean that that's the final word. You always have options. Hey, I hope you learned something today. Like always, if you have something to say, drop a comment below. If you're in the Selma, Schertz, San Antonio area, surrounding areas, we'd love to help you out, whether it be a roof repair, replacement, storm damage, or your insurance claim. Catch you on the next one.